Hello there, this is Abhishek Sharma and this is Wiki, the CS50 web project. Let's start the server. Okay, let's go to the browser. So let's go to the default route and here it is. So if I type here /wiki/ the title of a page, I will be brought back to that page. So if I go for now another one, Pygame, let's say, I will be brought back to that page. So another one, let's say the third trial, so Python, I'll be brought back to that page, and these things are existing here. So if I type these things, I'll be brought back to this page. But if I type something other than that, so let's type a not existing page like hello, and there is nothing there. So if I now go to the home page, and if we click to CSS, I'll be brought back to CSS page. The same for Flask, same for Django and Python, and it works like that. And now if I search here, so let's search something like what to search. Let's search JavaScript. Okay, here it is. Now if I go for like something like let's only search for O. So it is Django and Python which have the O in them, nobody other. And if I search for py, which is Pygame and Python. Okay, if I now click in the Pygame, I'll be brought back to the Pygame. And if I were to click in Python, I will be brought back to Python. And we can clearly see here Pygame and Python with the py. And now if I go for the new page, if I create the new page and I type something like, okay, let me delete JavaScript. I have that JavaScript here. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, let me delete that. So let's go back to home. There is no JavaScript. I'm gonna add that. Okay, let's now submit this, and this is the JavaScript page. So and the links are also working, so everything works like that. But if I were to create a new page with the existing name now, like JavaScript, and so it will be now error. So this is how it works. Now if I go for edit the page, in every page I have that button for editing. Let's say this Flask is a microwave framework, and let's try this micro to be, so just type the big wave framework, and it will be updated. Now it will be updated like this also. Okay, that updates. That is the text area and random page. If I type click here in the random, and it will be brought back to one of the pages there. So there are these pages, so let's type random, so another random, another time, and this is how it works. Markdown to HTML conversion due to the Python, this Markdown 2 package. This is all happening because here are these like in Markdown version, and I'm rendering them in the HTML form. I can show you here. By pip list, and due to the Markdown 2, this is all happening, and that is it. Thank you.